Welcome to the Series 4 workshop. Today we're looking at the Crimp Cradle force reduction tool. This tool provides a mechanical advantage of approximately 10 to 1 when hand crimping. You install the hand crimper into the cradle attached to this lever, and then it performs the hand crimping action but with reduced effort. The benefits: it reduces operator fatigue, reduces the risk of repetitive strain injury, it also increases output and reduces rejects. I'll demonstrate as follows. Insert the crimp into the jewels of the hand tool. Simply push down on the lever and there you have a perfectly formed crimp. For further details, visit the Series 4 website.